Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "Whoever utters La ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir." Translation: There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He is alone, having no partner. He is the kingdom. All praise is due to Him, and He Jalla Jalaluhu can do what He Jalla Jalaluhu pleases. 100 times a day gets a reward for manumitting 10 slaves. 100 virtues are recorded for him. His 100 evil deeds are wiped out. And these words will be a protection for him against the Satan from the morning till the evening. And none can perform an act better than it, saves the one who utters these sentences for more times than he does. And whoever says Subhanallah wa bihamdihi 100 times a day, his all sins are pardoned, though they are equal to the foam of the ocean. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6783.